Hi, my name's Tom. I've been trying to cut back on coffee a little bit, and I'm really not a green tea drinker, but I thought I'd give this a shot. Instead of actually using a tea bag with the water and getting all kind of really fancy green teas, I just went with these green tea Keurig pods from Amazon. They're from Happy Belly. I'm going to go ahead and brew up a cup right now. So as you can see, nice and easy there. Smells like green tea. Tastes like green tea. It's a little bit hot. But it's good. Might want to let it cool for a moment or two. I usually put a little honey into this. The flavor is mild. As you can see, the color is just kind of a yellowy color. No little tea segments, no little leaves in there. The Keurig pods have been really clean. I've had no residue left over. So you just go ahead and you get the tea leaves there, or the tea in here and no leaves at all. The taste is mild. I'm not a big green tea fan, but I kind of like this stuff. It is mild enough that it's not going to knock me over. With a little bit of honey, it's really very good. I've been doing this instead of coffee in the morning, and I really like it. It's really pretty good, and I highly recommend it.